There's a pair of Beats Solo 4. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to your LG TV that has webOS. So first thing is go to the settings on your LG TV. You may have the Magic Remote or the other standard remote. Anyway, what you want to do is just go to the settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can tap on that. Or you can simply just click on the home button on your remote and then go to the gear icon on the top right hand side. So let me go ahead and navigate there. I'm going to go up. Now I'm going to move over to the right. The settings right there, the gear icon. Let me select on that. And then from here on the left pane here, we want to go down to sound out. Okay, you can see currently mine is going to my internal speaker. So sound out. We're going to select that. Okay, so sound out. Now what I want to do is move to the right. Okay, sound out. It says internal speaker. I don't want that one. Let me move it over to the right. Sound out Bluetooth. Okay, but if I went over right again, you can see sound out mobile device. I don't want that. Let me go back to the left. And now it says sound out Bluetooth. Now I'm going to go down to it says device list right there, highlight it, select on OK. Now when this window pops on, you see the search with the little circle spinny thing on there. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to put these in a pairing mode, okay? So let's see here. So we got a power button on one side, the other side with the LED light will go, okay? My LED light is a solid white. I think it's connected to a different device somewhere. So we need to put these in pairing mode. However, if you just turn these on, yours may already be in pairing mode. If you get a white light that's blinking white, 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 that's in pairing mode, okay? However, mine's not in pairing mode. Let's put this in pairing mode. Power button right here. Let me just press and hold this button. I'm gonna keep on holding until it starts blinking white here. Oh, there we go. That's white, white, white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's look on here and the spinning thing stops. So I have to go back to search again. Okay, just make sure that the search is colored right there. Now I'm going to select on OK or select. Now searching again. Oh, there it is, Beat Solo Pro. So just make sure you have that fuchsia color on there. If I go down, you see it's like gone. Let me go back up. So now it's the fuchsia, the color. Now I'm going to select it. And I see that little spinny thing right there. Let's give it a second here. This TV is a little bit slow, but you can see that we are currently connected. It says Solo 4, it says connected, and you can see the check mark on there, okay? So we're connected also on one side of the ear cups. You can increase and decrease volume. You can see the volume going up, and the volume down is the bottom here, or you can just hold it down and it'll go all the way down. Of course, you got play and pause is the middle button as well. Okay, now if you guys had issues where you couldn't pair, you couldn't connect, or you had some kind of issue, you can always factory reset these. Look in the link below, I'll show you how to factory reset these.